Hey guys, Mark and Swan here from Savannah, Georgia. If you're looking at this video, you're a LimeLight representative who's just looking to see how you can maximize the compensation plan and really take things to the next level by generating those more leads, sales, and signups in your business. And let me tell you what, that means you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have simply studied the craft. I want you to be present on this video because it's going to go by quick. I'm going to give a lot of golden nuggets. I'm going to reveal some industry secrets, and I'm going to do it rapid fire. There's going to be no fluff, no time wasting, just facts. I'm going to save the number one golden nugget till the end, and that should give you some instant results. Here, ready, set, let's go. They sell you on the golden promise. That means you see people walking the stage and you see the flashy cars, you think it happened overnight. It didn't happen overnight. Those people put in a lot of work. They put in a lot of effort. Your network marketing company is not your company. So you may love the upline, the products, and the services, but you don't want to go around blasting your link, talking every day, all day about your company because your company doesn't pay for advertising. So instead, they have you to affiliate, make a list of 100 people, speak to family and friends, blitz at the mall, talk to strangers, and host hotel parties. Guys, I'm not knocking those techniques. I've been there, I've done that, grew up around it. Those techniques help you in terms of networking. But in terms of effectively marketing your business, it's going to do little for your business to attract your ideal customer and client. Because here's what I heard. If you talk to 10 people, 2 will take a look. If 10 take a look, 2 will join. If 10 join, 2 will do something. And if 10 do something, 2 will become leaders and make some serious money. Guys, I tell you what. When I first heard this, I was on list 5 of 100 people, and those were the words of encouragement that I needed. But let me tell you the truth. Let me ask you a question. Are there 1,250 people on your list? Here's some real numbers. Instead of talk to, take a look at, and join the opportunity, here's what the earner is actually doing, the top earner is actually doing. They're getting views to valuable content, clicks on a link, or a capture page or a replicated site, and they're having people join the opportunity. This means that if you talk to 1,250 people, 250 people are going to take a look, of which 50 people are going to do something, and 10 are going to make some serious money. Whether that's talk to or view, it's going to take massive action to get that number of people to what you have to offer. The question is, are you up to the challenge? And who's your target audience? It's not going to be family and friends. It's not going to be random Facebook friends. It's not going to be strangers at the mall or in the parking lot. It's going to be other like-minded network marketers. Guess what? 95% of them are struggling, putting you in a position to give them value that's going to solve their problems. And you also want to attract those people who are brand new looking to get into network marketing because they're going to have less resistance. You're going to imagine not hearing, is it one of those things? Is this a pyramid? I'm a naysayer. Imagine not hearing that stuff because you're going to be having the right message for the right people. You don't need to attract everybody under the sun. Your business is not for everybody. It's a common mistake to think your business is for everybody. If you're trying to attract everybody, you're going to end up attracting nobody. Make sure you have your target market in mind. Attraction marketing system is going to be value or curiosity. That's in the form of a blog post, maybe it's social media, that kind of thing. But you're going to get leads to your capture page and have your funded proposal. Make sure you follow up and help your team. Some essential tools you're going to need. Self-hosted blog, you're going to need a lead magnet capture page and an autoresponder. Customer relationship manager and webinar software as well. So this is just the 5 tools that you're going to need to really build that successful online business. Some important things to remember in social media. It's not business media. People go on Facebook to be social and to be nosy. They want to see what's going on in other people's lives, and they want to be engaged. They want to be inspired. You don't need to be pitching. So stop pitching. Because when you try to close people, the only type of people you're gonna attract are the type of people who try to close you. So guys, your vibe attracts your tribe. Your visibility trumps your ability. That means your content doesn't have to be perfect. Put out the content and get it in front of massive amounts of people. If there's any value in it, it's going to touch somebody's life. That's our job. That's our purpose. We need to give that service. You should be teaching, promoting, and connecting every single day. Positive, business-minded, active, and social. Those are the people that you need to do business with. Make sure you're branding yourself and not your company. Here's a suggested model. Create online content that solves the problems of the people you want to attract. Attract the right people to you, generate a lead, connect with the lead, determine the need. Be the person on the other end to offer that solution. Your strategy should revolve around how you're going to get more leads and more sales. If you have the right message, the right content for the right market, everything else will fall into place. Here's your number one golden nugget. It's one word. Speed. Guys, your network marketing business is going to live and die on a 90-day cycle. Your results in your business today are based on what you did 90 days ago. I hope you got value from this. Feel free to continue your education. Click the link below. I'm going to show you exactly what I have to do, the exact system I have to use to walk you through point A to Z, step 1 to 6. Step 1 to 6 of exactly what I did to generate now 10 to 20 red hot leads a day. Some people even sign up into my business on complete autopilot. I left that link in the description, so go ahead and click that link, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Have a great day.